150 years ago, out west in the area now known as Denver, messages and packages were delivered by a Pony Express or a train. Now, in more than a century and a half, you would think modern technology would develop some kind of ultra cool method of delivery. Maybe they have, but for purists, I guess, it still doesn't get any better than Ken Weltdale on Deuce Wheels.
It's really a great job for anybody who likes to be outside. It's big-time excitement. I mean, you're just trying to accomplish little races all day long. You're always running. You get to be paid for training, which is one of the best things.
Could you tell me where the Ron Dooley is?
Hey, how are you?
Have something for Ron Dooley?
Anytime you tell somebody, oh, I'm a bike messenger, they're like, God, this guy's days are numbered. It's 100% dangerous as soon as you get hit, but before that, it's cake. No big deal.
Time is the ruler. Time is money. That's bad news.
I'd say I ride on average about 125 miles a week as a courier and probably 150 on a training.
A lot of times you compete against drivers. You know, they get mad because you're going by them in traffic, but the reality is we're much faster. They can't catch us. This is the best water dispenser in town.
Getting paid to ride my bike, I mean, that's dreamy. I mean, you can't really ask for a better life. I mean, maybe to get paid to ride in the mountains every day would be a little bit better, but Coors isn't exactly knocking on my door offering me a contract right now, so.
So is it true that messengers never bathe, Ken?
Everyone's like, those New York messengers are so wacky, blah, blah, blah. I put up with the same crap every day. The only difference is I had the mountains to train on. They don't know how to suffer. This is suffering. Bicycle Messenger World Championships in London, England it's a race to test all the bike messenger skills that we use every day on the streets. I'm really going just to have a great time, you know. I've been working pretty hard to make it happen, and I intend to ride until I puke.
Why did he have to say that? This past weekend, Weltdale was getting busy in the Cycle Messenger World Championships in London. Ken finished third in the event. Now, we'd love to tell you who won, but the messenger carrying that information